Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add yellow color highlight to your text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and double click on your text box and open drawing tool or click this three dot option and select edit option. Also drawing tool open. Now double click on this text box and showing this mouse cursor. Now you can select a specific text from the mouse. Now click this three dot option and this is highlight color option. Click here and here you will find this yellow color highlight option, light yellow. I'll add this dark yellow and see this. Also I'll add yellow color. This light yellow and see this. Also you can highlight a word dark yellow and see this. In this way you can add yellow color highlight on your text box as you want. Yeah, and finally select save and close. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.